You don't know what you don't know. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney, and today we're going to talk about the danger of relying on AI when you're asking questions about wills, trusts, and other estate planning documents. Specifically, we're going to go over 3 reasons why you shouldn't rely on AI. Look, I'm an attorney. I'm sure I could come up with 100 more reasons why you shouldn't AI, but we'll just hit on 3 right away, in and out, done with this video. So, number 1, you don't know what you don't know. Sure, you can ask a topic with AI and AI will give you an answer, but you don't know what not to ask and you don't know what follow-up question to ask AI. Sometimes that attorney, when you're sitting down at the table with the attorney will be able to have a conversation with you. The one question will lead to another question, which may uncover another issue that you may not have even realized. You may not realize all the different types of questions to ask, but an attorney will. Number 2, proper jurisdiction. Look, there are 50 states in this country, and every state has its own rules and regulations about a will, about a trust, about probate, this and that and the other. And asking AI and Google about how to properly execute a will, hopefully it'll bring you the correct information about your state, but there's a good chance it could bring you information about another state, maybe a province in Canada. You never know what it's going to bring up, and if you rely on that information incorrectly, unfortunately, no one uses a will until you've passed away. So if you rely on this information AI thinking you have the will properly executed, it's a little too late once someone's passed away to get it re-executed. Unfortunately, that person is dead. So an attorney knows exactly how the documents should be executed, knows exactly what the documents should be included. You don't have to wait till it's too late to make sure that everything is done correctly. And number 3, point the finger right at me. If you rely on AI for your estate planning documents, here's a problem. Say there is an issue. Say something is done incorrectly. Who are you going to turn around and point the finger at? You can't say, oh, that idiot attorney told me to do this. No, you're just going to say, oh, my laptop told me. Oh, Google told me to do this. If you use an attorney and everything goes horribly wrong, at least you have someone to turn around and say, hey, look, that jerk, he's the one who told me this, and now we can go sue this guy because, well, isn't that just an attorney? You mean to say that we're going to turn around and sue people? But seriously, if something goes wrong, it's a lot better to say, hey, I can blame this other person, rather than say, shrug and say, I don't know, this is what Google told me, and that's that. So there are 3 quick reasons that you shouldn't rely on AI when you're creating an estate plan. If you have any questions about a will, a trust, or other estate planning documents, leave them in the comments below. I'm a real attorney, and I'll answer them. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney, and I'll see you in the next video.